Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another Christmas tutorial. It is actually Christmas Eve right now, so I'm hoping to have this edited and up before Christmas. This tutorial is a little bit more natural than my last one, so it'll be more wearable. Nobody can judge you at Christmas dinner. Excitingly enough, today I'm using the Shane Dawson X Jeffree Conspiracy palette. I received this in the mail weeks ago and I refused to touch it in all its glory, so I finally, broke down and used it. It is gorgeous. Can't wait to play more with it. I somehow managed to snag this as well as the mini Controversy palette on the initial release date. I don't know how, but I was one of the lucky ones and I'm so happy I got it. I'm gonna get straight into the video so I can edit this. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Happy holidays, happy Merry Christmas, anything you celebrate. If you don't celebrate, happy holidays, and Happy New Year, it's coming. As per usual, I'm going to start out with Too Faced Shadow Insurance to prime my lids. The first shade I'm going to use and pack in my crease is Diet Root Beer. I'm going to blend the edges out with Tannicon. I just went back in with Diet Root Beer to darken it up. Now I'm using spiraling and just putting that in the very outer corner to add some depth. Grab your favorite concealer, I'm using one by Milani, and cut your crease. I'm using Diet Root Beer once again just to put on the edges, and then I am taking the shade Not a Fact and packing that right next to it. Next, I'm using Flaming Hot and packing that right next to Not a Fact and kind of blending them together. I'm using the shade My Pills on the very inner corner of my lid. And finally, I'm using Just a Theory on the part where I have not put any eyeshadow yet, and it blends beautifully with the red and the pink. Now I'm going to do my eyeliner. Now I did quite a dramatic wing. You obviously don't have to do that, and you don't even have to do eyeliner at all, but that's just what I like. I felt like this look was missing a little something. I needed a bit of a pop, for me at least. So I added the Urban Decay Heavy Metal liner in the color Starfire. So it's just a gold glitter, and I carved out my crease. Now I'm taking the shade Ranch and using that as my highlight shade on my inner corner and brow bone. Here I am curling my lashes, which is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just prepping them for some very natural lashes, which I will link down below. They are by Kiss, so you can buy them at the drugstore, and they look real. So I went for natural here. For this part, I just used whatever was left over on my brushes, so I used Diet Root Beer, then spiraling, and blended both out with Tannicon. Next, I'm applying the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara to my lower lash line as well as my upper lash line to blend my lashes with the falsies. I really did not get any good shots of me doing my lipstick, but anyways, I used the Rimmel lip liner in Mauve Shimmer, and then on top of that I applied the Bite Beauty lipstick in Glace. And finally, I topped it off with a Apple Harvest lip gloss from Bath & Body Works, which is super old and I probably shouldn't be using it, but you know what? Break the rules. And that is my final look for Christmas Eve this year. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Have a great holiday. Bye!